Hello and welcome back. In this lecture, we will discuss about a modify command named as extend command. In our toolbar, it is situated at this point just below the trim command. So, extend command is basically used to extend a line to a specific point of shape, to a specific line, to till a specific rectangle, to a specific shape or drawing, or a specific object, you can say in other words. Okay, so to understand it, let's draw some object. Suppose there is a line and there is another line. Okay, we want that this line to be extended in same direction as it is till this line. Okay, so to make this drawing which we have desired just now, we will use this extend command. Just click on extend command and then click the wall, you can say in other words the wall or the object till where you have to draw another line. So click on that and then click on enter or space and then click on the line which you want to extend. You see here, when I'm going to this line, it is automatically extended till the next line till which we want to draw this line. So just left click on this line and escape from your command. Now you can see that it has been extended. So this is extend command. You can use this command on a multiple line once by selecting multiple lines. Okay, so to understand it in better way, let's draw another example. There is a line and there is a rectangle and we want that draw this line to this rectangle. Okay, similarly we'll use the extend command. Just click on the extend command and click on step or object till which you want to extend the line. Click spacebar or enter and then click on the line which you want to extend. So this is all about the extend command. Next lecture we will learn about the join command, that is very important. So stay with us. Thank you.